At the Hoover Dam.
Slowly,
as you
move
can
slowly.
see.
You have to explain it, but move slowly.
Here are the stairs, no guns. Welcome to the Hoover Dam. Hey, Uncle Kevin, do you like the Hoover Dam?
Sure, looks great.
Okay, and we are going to level. And here we are at the first floor. And I think we're going to the tours. Wow, look at that mountain over there. This is the Hoover Dam tours. Oh my God. Power plant tour.
Which one?
The dam tour.
Just the power plant. The other one have been pretty dangerous.
Hoover Dam tours are this way.
Let's go this way.
Wow, would you look at that? That's very pretty.
Cool, though, huh?
That's very pretty. Yes, it is.
Looks like it's like leaning over.
Because it is leaning over. It looks like it's leaning over because it is leaning over. I mean, this is very pretty. Look at that mountain over there. I love these palm trees too. Hello, and we are at the movie. We are at the movie. We're fixing to come here. We have the perfect seats. Oh yeah.
The government was already seeking ways to tame the Colorado through the engineering skills of the Bureau of Reclamation. But with 7 states disputing how much of the river's water each could claim.
50-something stories down, underground. And we are underground right now. Wow, this is cool. Very cool. Oh, wow. Get off there. That's very cool. Oh, it's those jets they were talking about. Let's go get a look. Getting a look. Look at that. Look at that. There it is.
Stay far from people ahead of you so that you have a big view, okay?
Okay.
And be careful, don't cover this. You want me to hold this for you?
Sure.
Right around the corner, all the way into the elevator.
Don't hold it like that. You might drop it. Dun, 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 dun. And into the elevator. Still in the tunnel. Still in a tunnel. Still in a tunnel. Still in a tunnel. And still in a tunnel. Still in a tunnel.
Okay, now we
And
have the power plant.
we're out.
Look
Holy
at that.
goodness.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Look at those generators.
Come on in, everyone, all the way in the door. Here on the Nevada wing, you can see 8 commercial generators. There are 9 on the Arizona wing for a total of 17. Looking at N1, that generator in the front of the row, right across that great decking into the center, you can see that shiny.
Look where we are. We are at the view of the Hoover Dam. Look at this. Hello, and we are outside of the dam. Going back inside right now.
This is the bell. There are two, one on each side.
Is this out of? That's not out of Legos, but that's pretty cool.
Can you go through here?
Cái hình này của ổng là đẹp cái sông cái thử này nè. Thấy không?
Now let's go. Go, pro. Now let's go, GoPro. Did they go through the elevator?
Elevator.
And we are outside of the Hoover Dam.
Back around. Wait,
That was cool. Now let's go. And here we are by the mountains and the food and gifts.
Yeah, but we have food in the car.
And the Hoover Dam tour.
We would. Dow Dam is the. You know that?
What if I just started hacking away right now and it'd fall down?
No, that would not be pretty.
What if there was a landslide right here and you had to run?
But cái tour nó thách mình all around đó. We
Granny,
were in there and we go down, going over. Huh?
what if there was a landslide right here and you had to run?
Run!
How fast would you run?
Very fast.
Like how?
Go in front of me.
No, you can't. Go. Go. Run right there.
I can run like that. How will we worry about you?
Stop right here. Could you run faster than that or no?
I can run faster. Without any other reason.
Oh, okay. Good point. Jake. Show him how you run.
Because with all these. Like that.
But spread your legs like this so you're like leaping like this. This kid, he runs like this. That's why he doesn't go very fast.
You need to do that.
On your way back to Vegas. Yes, I want to go back to Vegas.
Oh, you want to win? Right.
Because it was fun.
It's fun. Okay, I'll take you there next year. How about that?
How about right now?
Right now, we go to the zip line.
Oh,
Black Cat. You like Black Cat? Oh, the big house over there, Black Cat.
ooh, I'll show you all the
3-story.
big house, guys. And don't forget to leave a like, comment down below.